making me laugh. Better than your brother. Except your brother ran into the wall.
Did Lisa ask what pharmacy?
CVS
on Western. Did she ask you?
No,
I think she was calling.
Yes, she did.
She did?
Yeah,
Okay.
she did. Are you quoting a verse or singing a song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Silent.
Shailene,
Yeah.
like him?
Yeah, I did. Favorite.
Yeah? Keep singing, you gotta wake up.
I'm trying to. I keep finding I can sleep.
I know. Teach us a song. I hear you rapping all the time. Rap us some like,
That's a lot of words.
that's a lot of words. How are you doing that with your tongue now?
I don't know.
You sound pretty good.
Thank you.
You should go on tour with them.
You're crazy.
You're crazy. Wake
Are
up.
you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. What's the
walk?
movie?
Can you walk?
I don't know.
You give me the keys and I'll go get the car
I
started.
could try.
You can try. Daddy will stay with you and I'll go get the car.
I might feel
I'm gonna have you
funny.
pull around to the back of the building. Do you already
I
know
did
that?
well, yeah, and can you give me a kind of weird pull back out because I kind of missed it with
I
my
kind of feel funny.
I want you to go this way
around.
and around. There's covered doctor's parking. And then you keep
Like
coming
those
and
big
you'll see a
fat
few doors. Probably about 3 or 4. And then you'll see a blue density dumpster.
Okay.
And then
They're
that walkway
weird.
Okay.
that we wheel them down.
Okay. And I'll see
And
you.
it'll say Amarillo Oil Surgery.
Yeah,
Okay.
Above our door.
Why?
That's where I went last time. Okay.
Okay.
That's so weird.
And we're in a little blue car. I'm
Okay.
gonna go get the
All right.
car, Kyler.
Oh my gosh, you're back.
Holly, I'm going to take all your goodies off here.
Okay.
And your antibiotics about finished.
That's good.
Yes.
That thing went fast.
You turned it up. You saw him.
Yeah,
I'm really fast.
he doesn't waste any time.
I'm really weird.
What?
I'm really weird.
What?
What's weird? The way you feel?
Yeah.
It'll wear off each hour and you'll feel a little bit better. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You're a funny girl. Yeah, you are. Whoops.
Oh, don't forget these. Important things.
I don't forget those.
No. Put your gauze
Yeah.
and your instructions.
Uh-huh. That's all Ivy.
Yes, I'm fixing to take it out.
Okay.
The happy girl is Kylie.
I'm happy.
I'm glad. I'd rather be happy than cry. Any day.
Yeah. Oh, we sad.
Yeah, it would. You're funny. Got the giggles.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. gosh, breathe.
What movie you want to go watch?
Boring.
Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Really?
Why?
I good.
I don't think it's on. Is it?
I DVD.
Oh. I
What?
got you. She's got DVD.
Oh,
Yeah. I
why is that funny?
don't know. Everything's just so funny.
Everything's hilarious, huh?
Yeah.
Must be that medicine's all I can figure.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You like that medicine?
I like it.
There's lots of people that don't like it. I'm glad you like it.
This is so funny.
Are you still sick?
No.
Was she sick?
She had a sore.
Gave me medicine before.
Oh, that's
So,
sick. Okay.
so you're cured, huh?
Yeah, I feel better.
You feel much better?
Uh-huh.
Gave you that miracle antibiotic.
Yeah. I felt a lot. I feel great.
No, you just took the
Why are you going to sleep?
Am I not supposed to do that, am I?
No.
No.
We're going to walk.
Sorry.
You ready to walk?
That might be a little crazy.
To walk?
Yeah.
We'll help you.
Okay.
Okay? Oh no. Got the tickles again. You're funny. Okay. You're gonna feel this, not really, you won't.
Okay.
Did you feel it?
I don't know.
I don't think you did. Okay. Bend your elbow for me.
Okay.
Put some
And then-
pressure on that. Good.
What? I feel like an elbow.
What?
I don't know.
Oh no. Okay. Sling your feet this way.